Hi, I'm Tony Stanke from Case IH. Today I'll be discussing setting up work conditions in the Pro 700. For the early riser planters, we can set up different work conditions for the different planting conditions that the planter can be operated in. To do this, go to Work Condition, Operate tab. If you want to make a new work condition, you come up where it says Work Condition, and for this example, we're going to make a new one, and it's going to be for no-till corn. So I'm going to call it NT corn. Now for no-till corn, under the Operate tab, now we can set up the planter for specific conditions. So if you come down to our default for the cleaner mode, for no-till corn, I want to use a cleaner mode in down press, and I'm going to have 10 psi added to our air cylinders. So we scroll down. For the closer pressure no-till corn, I want to run 25 psi on it. And for down pressure, I'm going to go with the heavy down pressure at 150 psi. These are all contained in the Work Condition Operate Setup tab. For more information on creating a work condition, please refer to your operator's manual or contact your Case IH dealer.